back to running, no check engine light. Ended up being a combination of issues. So I decided to swap the coils, the ignition coils from 3 and 4, and the misfire jumped back to 3. The reason I had not done that initially is because the other day on the way to work, I was driving and I stopped on the way there to replace the ignition coil. Sorry, let me jump out of the car. To replace the ignition coil. And so I replaced the ignition coil with another one, and the issue did not go away. So what had happened was, whenever I went to go replace that ignition coil at the gas station, when I disconnected the connector off the top of the ignition coil, that connector got messed up, I believe, and started to break apart, which is what I had found later. And so even though I had changed the ignition coil, the issue still remained because of the connector. And so I replaced the connector today and still had a misfire, then also had to replace the ignition coil. So now we got all 4 cylinders again. The Gray Ghost is back up and running. Super stoked. I was really stressed for a while, but happy to finally have it done. Thank y'all for whoever commented on the last video. It's always the simple stuff. So anyway, hope y'all have a good night, and I hope you have some good luck on your next project too.